Hi viewers, this is Minachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
Exercise number 12.3, page number 236, problem number 9. In the figure 12.27, AB and CD are the two diameters of a circle. These two are the diameter. Then OD, OC, OA, OB are the radius of a larger circle. So these are all equal. Okay. And perpendicular to each other. So perpendicular to each other means it's a 90 degree. Next. And OD is the diameter of a smaller circle. The OD is the diameter of a smaller circle, but it is the radius of a larger circle. Okay. If OA, the OA is 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Okay. Now OA is a 7 centimeter. So all the radius are here equal. This is OA equal to OC equal to OB equal to OD. Right? All the radius are equal. Now the radius is diameter for this smaller circle. So we have a diameter here. Will you all able to find the area of a smaller circle or not? Excuse me. Yes, because it is also shaded region, so we can easily find out the area of a smaller circle. Next, we should find the area of a segment. Segment. So how we will find the area of a segment? In a previous problem, we solved the same this kind of problems. Area of a segment. Finding area of a segment, we can find the area of a sector minus area of a triangle, right? Excuse me. Area of a segment. Area of a segment. We can find the area of a segment. After finding a segment, we should find the area of a triangle. Then we can subtract it from that. We will get the area of a segment area, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. First, we can find the area of the sector. Area of the sector. After finding area of the sector, area of the sector in a sense, this all area, including the cursive. Then you can find the area of a triangle. Then you should subtract it. Then you will get a segment area. Are you all clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same way, finally finding the area of a segment is equal to the area of a segment. So these two area equal, right? Because both are the same segment. It is a diameter or radius 7 centimeters. So these two are same. Because they are equal in measure, the two segment. So finally, you should add this three area, then you will get the area of a shaded region. Are you clear? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Now we can solve the problem. Listen. Now we can solve the problem. Is it visible my screen?
Yes, sir.
Ninth question. First, I will draw the diagram. So larger circle. Please adjust. It is a circle. Next, we'll draw the diameter. The diameters are intersecting each other perpendicularly, intersecting and bisecting each other with perpendicularly. So here we should draw the segment. So this area. Here also we should draw segment. Next, here we should draw the circle. We should find this area also, right? And they given O, A, C, B. So OA, what is the centimeter? 7 centimeter. It is a radius. So OA, which is equal to OC, that is 7 centimeter. OB also 7 centimeter. Then OD also 7 centimeter. Are you all clear? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
We can write radius OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, now we found it. Now we can find the area of a inner circle, the smaller circle. So we can try find the area of smaller circle. Right? What is the formula for finding area of a smaller circle? Pi r square.
Pi r square, sir.
Square units. Okay. What is the pi here? 22 by 7 into here diameter is 7 centimeter. What is the radius?
7 by 2.
7 by 2. Very good. Super. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 because r square. Clear? Now we can cancel the 1 7 here, 1 7 here. Remaining 1 2 2 here, 11 2 So the answer is 11 into 7, 77 by 2 centimeter square. Are you clear? Any doubt? Now we found the area of a smaller circle, right? Next, now we can find the area of this part, that is segment. How will you find the segment area? So first you should find the area of a sector.
Area of a sector, sir.
Very
minus triangle, sir.
Very good, super. Okay, so we have a formula. What it is? Area of sector A, sorry, B. Okay, O, B, C, O, B, C. Here you can keep a point, one pointer. That is P. Here Q. P, sorry, OPBCO, right? Area of a sector OPBCO. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me, pa.
Sir.
Okay. What is the formula? Theta by 360 into
I R
pi
square.
r square. What is it? What is the theta here subtended here?
90 degree.
90 degree. Excellent, baby. So 90 degree by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into pi r squared. R, what is the R here? For this one, what is the R?
7 by 2.
I. That is for only inner circle. I'm asking for here whole circle. Radius. 7 da. Excuse me da, don't get confusion. Sanjay. Excuse me Sanjay, have you all understood ra?
Okay, sir.
We are finding for this radius is for larger circle da. It is inner circle is completed. Now we can enter to the larger circle. The larger circle radius 7 centimeter. So now we can cancel the 7, 7. Then 0, 0. Then 1 9s are 9. 4 9s are 36. Again we can cancel it. 11 2s are 2 2s are. So what is the answer? 77 by 2. Here also we get the same answer. Clear? 77 by 2. Clear? Excuse me. So we found the area of the sector. This area of the sector. Now we can find the area of a triangle. Then only we are able to subtract when we will get the area of a segment, right? Excuse me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. What it is? OBC. Now it is a right angle triangle. Da. So what we supposed to do? What is supposed to do? What is the formula to find it? It is a right angle triangle. So what is the formula for finding area of a triangle? We have two formula. Half into B into H. When we can use this half into B into H, it is a right angle triangle means. Normal triangle means, maybe equal triangle means
Root 3 by 4.
root 3 by 4 into
By 4 into side square.
very good side square. So now what triangle it is here?
Right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle.
Triangle.
In the right angle triangle, base and height here same or not?
Yes, sir.
Because here B also 7, height H also 7. So it is very easy. So half into B also 7, H also 7, square centimeter. So 7 sevens are 49 by 2 centimeter squared. Are you clear? Ra? Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we found out the area of a sector and area of the triangle. Now we can subtract it to find the area of a segment. So you can write area of segment equal to area of what it is? Area of sector minus
minus area of triangle.
very good area of triangle. Super baby, excellent. So what is the area of a sector here? What we found out? 20,
77 by 2.
very good, 77 by 2 minus 49 by 2. So here LCM 2, when we subtracted what it is? 77 minus 49. Here 17, 17 minus 9, 8, here 6 is
28.
2. So what it is? 28, right? Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now cancel it. 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are. So 14 centimeter squared is a area of this single segment, right? Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Now the same diagram should be down. The same diagram should be down here. So what are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? We can find the area of another segment. What it is? Area of another segment equal to the same answer 14 centimeter squared. Similarly, excuse me, da.
Yes, sir.
We can write similarly because both are same segment. They're equal in measure because it is contained with a 90 degree as well as the same radius 7 centimeter. So that is not a problem. So area of another segment also 14 centimeter. So we can find the area of shaded region equal to what? What? Shaded region? Area of the smaller circle plus area of the two segment, right? Excuse me? Yes. So area of smaller circle plus area of two segments, right? So what is the area of a smaller
sir.
circle?
77 by 2.
77 by 2 plus 2 segment. So 14 plus 14. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Square centimeter. Now 14 plus 14 what it is? 28. So 27 by 2 into 7 plus 14 plus 14 what it is?
28.
28. So divider 1. Now we can take LCM. So that is 2. 77 plus 2 8s are 16, remaining 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 56 centimeter squared. Excuse me, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we can add it. 77, 56, 13, 3, remaining 1. 6 plus 7. What it is 6 plus 7? So 33 centimeter squared by 2. Are you all clear? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Excuse me.
I hope in this video you make clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.